and of course some black-eyed peas because we've got a great year ahead. But we do have some roller coaster ride to take care of. So buckle up. Current temperature right now 58 degrees right here in Music City. Yesterday's high 70. January 1st. Now, we didn't break any records, but it sure felt lovely. Right now in Clarksville, you're even warmer than the city. Currently, you're starting out your morning right around that 60-degree mark. Now, we're completely dry when it comes to the Power of 5 radars. Tomorrow morning, this thing is going to be quite active because we've got a system coming through. So be mindful, especially if today is not your day back to work, tomorrow is. There might be some grumpy people out there, and of course we're going to have some rain. So go ahead and have that positive attitude ready to go. This cold front that's going to move through is going to be the issue. It's going to bring showers, thunderstorms, accompanied with some pretty gusty winds. Until that moves in, we've got winds out of the south. We are drawing in moisture and heat from the Gulf, and that's why we're starting out so warm. For instance, Memphis, 65. Here in Music City, 58. But let me tell you, it's nice everywhere you go. Over in Cookeville, you're at 61. Crossville, 56. 61 in Fayetteville, 57 right now in Hopkinsville. Today, I look to see 1 or 2 spotty sprinkles. Remember, it's like taking a damp paintbrush and just giving it a quick flick. We'll see a handful of little locations. It's not going to last more than 5 minutes. It's not going to add up to too much. As we do go throughout the evening, that's when your rain chances really ramp up ahead of our system. By around 6, 7, 8 p.m., I look to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, parts of Christian County going over into Carroll, Henry counties, Benton counties. You're going to see the best chance for some rainfall activity accompanied with some gusty winds. We're then going to have a slight lull for the bulk of the overnight time frame. But early tomorrow morning, depending on when your real early is, for some of us that's 3 a.m., others of us that's not until 6. That's when the next system will approach. 3 o'clock areas to our north and west. And you see how this is bowing out just a little bit? Even though this is a model run, it's a really good indication of the gusty winds ahead of it as well as within it. We're going to see some scattered showers, thunderstorms throughout rush hour tomorrow morning, and then a third band around lunchtime. So the first band is going to happen this evening, the second band early tomorrow morning rush hour, then the third band will be as we make it out into lunch. Our severe threat is a 2 out of 5 areas south of 840. The rest of us a 1 out of 5. My main concern, damaging wind gust ahead of the system as well as within it. Now, because of how this system is aligned, I cannot rule out a spin-up tornado, but that's looking to be the exception rather than the rule. So starting this evening, continuing overnight and into noon tomorrow, we will be under a Storm 5 weather alert. Once the system exits, it's going to cool us off. For instance, Wednesday afternoon, our high 56 degrees. We go into Thursday morning, temperatures will be in the widespread 30s by the afternoon, 45, upper 20s, low 30s to start off Friday. By Friday afternoon, 46. But it's all relative, isn't it? This isn't that cold. Y'all, we've been there. We've done that. This is easy peasy to take care of. As we make our way into the weekend, drier conditions will be with us. Some slight thin rain chances will move in heading into our work week next week. Ben?
All right. Thank you.